Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a deleted card on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use ClickUp and you accidentally delete a card. How do you actually go ahead and find that deleted card? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's actually go ahead and create a test task here. And so once we create this task, let's actually go ahead and delete it. So let's say that we delete this test task by accident. Now, in order to find that deleted card, all you've got to do is click on the upper right-hand corner where your profile icon is. Click on settings. Then on the left-hand side, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says trash. Now, if you give this a couple of seconds to load, this is going to show all the items that have been deleted on ClickUp from your workspace. So here's that test task. All you've got to do is click on these three dots and click on restore, and it'll be put back into your personal list. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your deleted card on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.